In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make halftone in Affinity Designer. If you've ever admired that classic print look made of tiny dots, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to build it with control and confidence using only the essential tools. Start by opening the Affinity app on your computer and loading the image you want to transform. Make sure the image layer is active by clicking directly on it in your Canvas or Layers panel. When it's selected, you'll see the usual selection cues. Working on a high-resolution image will give you a cleaner halftone pattern, so it's a good starting point if you have the option. With the image active, head to the Filters area on the left. That's where the creative effects live. Open it, then choose Halftone. As soon as you enter the halftone controls, you should see a live preview on your image. If the preview looks blocky at a zoomed-out view, don't worry, that's normal. Judging detail at 100% zoom will give you the most accurate read of dot size and texture. For the screening method, select Screen and choose Dot. Dot is the classic halftone shape that gives a vintage print or comic style effect. It's versatile, works well on portraits and graphics, and reads clearly at a variety of sizes. Now adjust the core settings that shape your result. Cell size sets how big each dot is. Smaller values create a fine detailed pattern that holds subtle tones. Larger values create a bold graphic pattern that's easy to see from a distance. Find a balance that keeps important features recognizable without turning midtones into mush. Contrast determines how aggressively the dots expand in dark areas and shrink in light areas. Increasing contrast can give punch, but push it too far and you'll crush shadows or blow out highlights. Aim for crisp separation while keeping gradients smooth. Gray component replacement controls how much of the neutral tones are shifted into black. Raising it can stabilize neutrals and reduce color noise, which is helpful if you're thinking about print. Keep it moderate if you want softer, more photographic transitions. Undercolor removal works alongside that by reducing overlapped color inks in darker neutrals. Bringing it up can clean up muddy areas and improve clarity. Again, subtle tweaks often look more natural. Finally, set the screen angle. This rotates the dot grid to minimize unwanted patterns. For a single color halftone, angles around the mid-range often look great. If you notice moire, those strange ripples, nudge the angle a few degrees and check again at 100% zoom. Take a last look at edges, skin tones, or fine lines, and fine-tune until the dots feel intentional and pleasing. That's it. You've created a clean halftone in Affinity Designer with full control over its character.